welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having Sloppy Joe French fries. I'm going to show y'all my new mug. This gin is huge. Got me a ginger ale to go in there. Amen. Y'all know I got my hot sauce, my red hots. I haven't been up here and made a video in a few days, but I'm back. Take care of some business. Giant mug. Found this at Food Line, y'all, for $1.50. Decided to make it my drinking mug. Not for tea, I'll be drinking tea for days with this. Let's get it in, because I'm hungry. My kids have to put hot sauce on their Sloppy Joe sandwich. Tastes pretty good too. Looking at Sanford and Son. One of my favorites. This bad boy loaded too. Good. How's everyone doing? It's the weekend. Everyone be safe. Bad to taste the hot sauce. I like drinking soda or ginger ale with my food because it helps it go down more better. Some of y'all probably like, why can't you eat out food? I would eat out sometimes. Most of my food you see me eat gonna be cooked at home. Eat out sometimes. I just like to know what's in my food, what I'm doing, what's been done to it. Because I know my hands clean, my kitchen's clean, my pots and pans clean. Know for a fact I ain't sneezing all on there. If I did, it's mine. I don't even do that. You gotta sneeze while you're cooking, you better turn the other way. You get sloppy now. I wonder who actually came up with the name. Like, how did it come about? Was the guy named Joe? The name Joe that made it? Did it fall out of the bread or what? And decided to call it Sloppy. Sloppy Joe sandwich. Who knows? It's a good idea though. A good sloppy idea. Gotta come prepared with napkins for this. Right. I got this right now. My trying to play a game. Hold on. I be forgetting to turn down the volume. I'm looking at sign from the sign. I looked this so many times, but it's still funny to me. It's like I don't think I ever get tired of looking at good times. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I better say it now while I remember. Still don't have much to talk about, y'all. Yeah, talked to my mom today. She called me. We had a good time. She always make me laugh when she called. Haven't talked to my little sister in a while. Maybe she'll look at this video and see. No, she be busy. She be real busy. She in the process of moving to our house. So I understand why I haven't heard from her. She making moves. Nah, that's it. I mean, y'all seen her channel born. Sorry. I'll try to get it together. That's it. I'm not picking over these fries. I know I'm not going to eat all of them. I'm not going to do that. Just so y'all can see me still continue to eat something else. No, I'm done. That's it. Well, my family, that be that. I'm done. And I'll see y'all next time. Yeah. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I know I said it already, but do that for your girl. Bye. Y'all be safe this weekend.